Hey everyone, welcome to Pluto. Today let's discuss about function hoisting in JavaScript. Now we know that we can write a function using a function declaration or a function expression or an arrow function syntax. Now let me just comment these two and invoke that function greet here. It runs fine. It says hello. Now what if I moved this invocation all the way up or before the definition of the function? What if I run it? It says reference error, cannot access greet before initialization. Let me change the definition to a function expression. If I run it now, this one also says reference error, cannot access greet before initialization. Now, why does this happen? This happens because JavaScript is a just-in-time compiled language. So it executes code line by line. So when it reaches this line greet, it doesn't know of a function called a greet. It doesn't have any idea of what this greet is. That's why it throws a reference error. Now, if I rewrite the function using a function declaration and try to invoke it, it works. It doesn't throw a reference error. Now, this is due to something called function hoisting. Now, what do you mean by function hoisting? Function hoisting in JavaScript is the process of moving function declarations to the top of their scope before code execution. So the JavaScript interpreter interprets this code and it sees this function declaration and it knows that it is a function declaration and it moves this function declaration to the top of the scope or the execution scope. So what is the advantage of doing this? This allows us to use the functions before they are, declared. So by moving the function declarations to the top of the scope, the interpreter can avoid looking for function declarations whenever a function is called and can directly access it from memory, which is more efficient. Now, why aren't arrow functions and function expression not hoisted? It is because JavaScript treats them as variables assigned to a function. JavaScript only hoists function declarations, these ones. So that's function hoisting. I hope you learned something new today. See you in the next one.